We'll guide you through how to keyframe movement in Adobe Animate. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Animate on your computer. Once the workspace appears on the screen, click the File menu located at the top left corner to access the available project options inside Adobe Animate. From the drop-down menu, select New so you can create a new project file for your animation work. After that, choose the document preset you want to use, for example similar to the video, so the stage size and workspace settings match your project requirements. Then click Create to open the workspace and begin editing inside Adobe Animate. Before creating the movement animation, make sure you already have an object on the stage, for example using a circle to create a simple movement animation similar to the tutorial demonstration. Right-click on the timeline according to your needs to add more duration for the animation. From the available menu options, select Insert Frame to add more frames to the timeline so the object has enough space to animate smoothly throughout the project. Right-click on the object placed on the stage to access the available animation options. From the menu that appears, select Create Motion Tween so Adobe Animate automatically creates a motion tween animation for the selected object. Click OK to confirm and continue creating the motion tween animation. Move the playhead according to your needs to another frame position on the timeline where you want the object movement to continue. Move the object according to your needs to create movement between the frames. Next, move the playhead again according to your needs to another frame location on the timeline. Move the object again according to your needs to create another movement position and continue building the animation sequence. Each time the object position changes on a different frame, Adobe Animate automatically updates the motion tween animation path between the keyframes. Repeat the same steps until you have created multiple movement positions as desired throughout the timeline. Once all movement positions are completed, press Ctrl+Enter to preview the result and review how the motion tween animation plays throughout the timeline inside Adobe Animate.